Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Winnie, and welcome to yet another amazing video. If you are new here, welcome. This is a YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on cooking, homemaking, and lifestyle in general. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that I can continue bringing you amazing homemaking and cooking videos. Yes, today I want to show you the most simple yet amazing recipe on how to cook mashed bananas. Yes, mashed banana is something you can eat with the beef, vegetables, chicken, just accompaniment of choice. So on our ingredients, we'll need the green bananas. Mine have already worked on them, so we have already removed the green part and washed them. You will also need an onion, dania, that is coriander. You need ginger and garlic paste. These days I'm so busy, so I blend ginger and garlic to use the whole week. So this is the ginger and garlic paste. You need cooking oil, salt, and lastly, you need plastic margarine. Margarine, if you have butter, the better. So these are the things that we are going to use. So we go to cooking. So first what we'll do, we just put our bananas, in the sufuria. I add water. So we will add water because we just want to boil them. And then we will add salt. That's enough. And then we will put the fire and cover it until it cooks. So let's cook our banana until they are well cooked. Now, as the bananas are boiling, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cooking the onion. So I'll start by putting the cooking oil, and we allow it to be hot. And then once the onions are hot, we are going to, not onions, we are going to put our onion once the oil is hot. If you have spring onions, the better. The spring onions taste amazing, but unfortunately I didn't have the spring onion, and I'm feeling this onion is it's not enough. Let me add more onion. So let me add more onion so that it can be enough. So, and we wait for our onion to saute as this is boiling. So, you can see my onion is sauteing very well. Now, I'll have to add in a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, just like a half. And just like that, my onion and ginger and garlic paste are ready. We put off the fire. We wait for my mashed matoke to cook. And then now I'll show you the last process. Now it's after some time. I need to check if my matoke is ready. It's ready. Now I'm going to put off the fire and we are going to remove the excess. We are going to remove the excess water first. So we are not removing all of it. I'm warming my onion. So now after the what do you call it? The bananas are ready. We are going to add a tablespoon of margarine. If you have butter, the better. So and this margarine is we are finalizing the last spoon. And then now we add our onions. Remember, this is a mixture of onion and garlic paste. And then now we are going to use all our energy to mash. I don't have a masher, so I use my muiko. This is the cooking stick. And you have to mash while it is hot, so that it's going to ensure that it mash very well. I have the electric hand mixer. I can use it, but I think I want to finish this so quickly so that the kids can eat. It's past time, eating time. So So halfway mixing, you add your coriander. This is optional, but it tastes better for them. So there are some people who add milk, which is okay, but for me, I feel milk has other other things to do. So for me, I'm not going to add milk. So I'm just going to ensure that it is smooth. So I'm returning part of the water that we had drained. You have to mash until everything marry in very well and it's very smooth. And just like that, my mashed matoke is almost ready. So basically, I'm done and everything is looking very well. Let me bring the camera closer so that you can see how my matoke is looking. So before I bring the camera closer so that you can see, kindly, we are done. We are done with the recipe. This is my matoke. It's looking amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm going to serve it with beef. I'm going to serve it with beef and vegetables, so that I had already cooked earlier. So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that we can continue sharing amazing, amazing recipe. Let me show you how it looks. And that's how my matoke is looking, mashed matoke. It's popping, it's giving in the color. So I'm going to serve it with beef stew and some vegetables. Yes.